117, 107, 106.
What's up, everybody? DeAngelo here. Hope you guys are having a fantastic day. And I wanted to make this video for my people out there that are trying to get into CPA marketing, or maybe you're trying to do Amazon FBA or whatever the case may be. Basically, you're trying to get into this space and you just don't have the funds right now. Maybe you don't have enough money for a course, or maybe you got enough money for a course, but then you don't have enough money for ad revenue. And obviously, there's not really a point in buying a course if you can't actually use it, but you can't run the ads because you don't have the course, because you're just going to lose all your money in ads because you don't know how to run ads. So it's like one of those things where you got to have both at the same time for it to make sense doing it. And then what happens is normally is that life happens and people end up using the money for an emergency or whatever happens or whatnot. But anyway, this by far right here is going to be one of the easiest ways that you can make money, and you can do it quickly, and then you can take that money and start investing into everything else that you need. So I actually just found out about this not too long ago. So you guys saw my video a few months ago when we did the Amazon DSP. So that one, you go to the station, you drive an Amazon van and all that stuff, right? With this one, you drive your own van. Now, they both have their pros and cons. I guess I'll go over another video, but going over each one if you guys want me to do that. But for this one right here, you make way more money. Like, I mean, way more money. So for this 4-hour route that I'm doing right here, which is actually going to take, I don't know why they give you so much like buffer time or whatever, but it's really about 3 hours, and I'm making $140 for this one right here. So on average, at least in my, experience, you make about $300 a day. If you want to like include the gas and all that stuff or whatnot, just mark it up to 50. It's nowhere near that high, especially if you're driving a regular vehicle. It's not going to be anywhere near that. But first things first, let me show you what it is that you actually do for the people that have no idea what you do with delivering Amazon packages. And the second thing is, of course, we got to show payment proofs, because you guys know your boy is all about the payment proofs. Literally like the easiest stuff ever. Not to mention you get way less packages than when you do the Amazon DSP. But anyway, let's jump into it. So first things first is you go and you find this code right here, and then you find a package with the same code, right? Then you would scan the package, and then we literally just take this and we go and put it on their porch. Now that we put it on the porch, we literally just click front door and we click continue, take a picture, boom, and that's it. And then now we're on to the next one. And that is the entire process right there. You literally just do that over and over and over until you're done. Now, before I get into the whole, earnings and everything like that, I already know there's going to be people in the comment section that be like, but what about the taxes? What about the brakes? What about the wear and tear on the vehicle? What about the insurance? That's how you look to real business owners. It's called cost of doing fucking business, bro. Like, fuck, I hate seeing comments like that. It's called business. If it doesn't work for you, then it doesn't work. Don't try to force it. If you lose money doing it, don't do it. I thought we'd have a moment in silence for the people that just clicked off the video.
Alrighty, so let's jump into the payment proof. So I'm back at the house now, and as you can see right here, March 17th, there goes 300. So 117, 107, 106. Then for March 18th, 159, 140. So there you go, right there, $300 days to just put a package on the porch.
And that is it. I'm saying, so you guys saw what it is that I do. You guys saw the payment proofs and everything in between. Now, once you go and do that, get your paycheck or whatnot, jump right into, in my opinion, you should jump right into Amazon seller, or doing some type of flipping or something like that, so that way you can make more money. That's the goal, is to increase this money, into more money. So again, you can go out and get your course, you can go out and get products, you can go out and, just be some ad spend or whatever the case may be, because believe it or not, guys, you do not need $1 million or even $10,000 or even $1,000 to completely change your life. Like, $300 can go a very long way, and then you just keep reinvesting that money over and over and over and over and over. And that's it. But don't forget to like, subscribe, smash the notification bell. Also, you guys can check out
this little Amazon course that I'm putting together with just all the tips and stuff. It's 100% free. I'll put it in the comment section down below.